subscribers and viewers. Welcome to OWUUBII channel. Welcome to this wonderful channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a tool which is part of Microsoft Office, and this tool is used for planning. So we are going to use this tool or this app to design and plan a network infrastructure of a warehouse and 8 offices. So kindly stay tuned, relax, and watch me as I explain in details and show you practically how to use it. Thank you. Not wasting time, let's go ahead and then begin with this video. So I'm going to show you how to use this software, and the name of the software is called Visio. I know most folks who uses Microsoft knows about this app, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly how you can use this app. So we have a blank space like this. At the left side, this is where you can see the various shapes and how to utilize them. Okay, if you come to business, you have these shapes here which deals with business. If it comes to engineering, you have electrical engineering. So you have things like analog and digital logic. So when you click such features like this that comes with the software, you are going to see various symbols and icons associated with this field of work. Okay, and so we want to deal with building a warehouse and then equipping it with IT infrastructure. So let me look out for ones that will suit me. So basic shapes, no problem. Let me put this here. You come to building plan, maps and floor plans, and so you have the alarm and access control. You have appliances. Okay, so let's say air condition. What else? We have electrical and telecom, because I'll be using these devices as well. And so it goes on and on. Pipes and valves. Okay. So video surveillance. Okay. Windows and doors. Walls and shell structure. Network. So let's come to the network side of it, and here we have computers and monitors. We have computers and monitors 3D. Detailed network diagram. So we have network and peripherals. Okay. Network symbols. It goes on and on and on. Rack mounted servers. Okay, so when you click all these features that comes with this software, it is going to list 8 symbols at the left side of it. So all are listed here. Any one I click here will give me a symbol for me to use for my design and plan. Okay, else you can also come here and search for whatever you are looking for. So let's begin. So we have things like this kind of lines here. So basically I'm going to use some of these lines for my work. Okay, so I'll be using some of these lines So let me try and search if I can see warehouse design as well. Okay, so we have something like this as a warehouse. Okay, but I'm not going to use this, so let me take it off. We have this as well as a warehouse. Okay, but if we should go with images like this, you are not really going to understand what I want to do. So let me search for the right ones and let's see. Okay, this also. This will also make it difficult for you to comprehend. So let me search for more. Okay. But let me simply begin with the design, okay? So I have this warehouse in mind. Let me just start with the design. Let's see how things go. Okay, so let me use one of these lines. Which one should I even use? Okay, connector. Okay, right. So I'm simply going to do the design in my own terms. Okay. Okay. I'm just doing something simple for you guys to understand how to use this kind of device. So I have a warehouse here. I wish I could expand this. Let me expand it a bit. Okay. And then, so we're assuming that mostly warehouses, if it comes to the outer designs, it is kind of straightforward. You don't have so much to get you confused. So let me expand it a bit up here. Okay, good. Okay, so this guy meets this guy, and then this part meets this part as well. Let me bring it here. Okay, no, it needs to be straight. Okay, fine. And so I need another one down here. So I'm just designing a straight building, and then later I'll be fixing the components like the doors and the windows, and then the other infrastructure will come. The other devices will come. Great. So I've done the first one. Now I need to fix my doors and my windows before we get to the next level. Okay, so now we are done with this. Now let's search for our windows and doors. Okay, so we have our doors and windows here. So this is security window. Okay, so we want to position a door here. Let me expand it a bit and then turn it like this. Okay, so we want to position a door here. No, that's not how I want it. now let me bring it down here. And mind you, we have so many softwares you can use, okay, for a project like this. There are numerous softwares you can use, but I prefer to use Visio because it gives me the leverage to design whatever I want to design, and it's free. It's a Microsoft product. Okay, so I have my door here. Let me repeat. So you can simply copy what you've just the icon you just pasted here, and then replicate it on other parts. So let me paste it here. Okay, so I have another door here. I don't want to have so many doors scattered all around, so okay. All right, so I have my second door here. Okay, I have another door here somewhere for emergency sake. Okay, in case of any fire outbreak, we have an emergency door here, its purpose is to save lives, for folks to escape through when there is an issue. All right, let me put another one here. Okay, good. And then, if you are aware, most warehouses are ventilated places. Some put in air conditioning and stuff like that, but we decided not to put anything like air conditioning. Just make it ventilated and then install extracting fans there. Okay, and so let's begin by designing how the whole thing is going to be like. Okay, so let me start inserting in the equipments. So let's say this is a refrigerated warehouse. Okay, so this is a refrigerator. Great, it should be somewhere here. So this is a refrigerator. This is a refrigerated warehouse I'm trying to build. Okay, so this is a refrigerator. Then we have something like pillars. Okay, so let me just use any object I can use here. Any object that can help me to achieve the same purpose. So there will be shelves around here. These places will be shelves. We'll have about several shelves here. So this is one, this is two. Let's say about 4 of them here. Okay. Now let me set in the metal bars which are going. So on the metal bars, we are going to utilize it in a way that we are going to install our CCTV cameras on these metal bars. Okay. Okay. So we'll have several of them here. What I'm doing is basically a design of a warehouse. Okay. Alright, so I have my metal bars here. Okay. And then so let's say basically this is how the warehouse is going to look like. The next thing is for me to install my cameras at various vantage points. And so let me start installing my cameras. And the thing is, sometimes you can get these cameras from various sources. Okay, so the cameras can be gotten from other sources. So let's begin with the outer design first, and then we come in. So I'm going to use bullet cameras for the outer designs. So example like this, I want this camera to look this way and make it a bit smaller. Good. I need to replicate this at this point as well so that I don't have any blind spot. And so I have this. Please forgive me for how the camera has been turned in, all those things, because it's impossible for me to change the position of how the camera looks. And so let's assume this is also looking at the other side. We also have one here which is overlooking this part. Okay. We have another one here. We should be looking at this part. Let's bring another one. So at this moment, I'm just dealing with the outer cameras. I mean the outdoor cameras. Great. I need to also install another one here. We should be looking at this part. You can even integrate a PTZ. Okay, so this comes here. So let me place one more out here. Okay, to also focus on this part. Great. So basically I'm done with the outdoor. Let me add my PTZ. You can search for PTZ here. That's a camera. It should be able to give me out PTZ. So I have PTZ here. Okay, so let's assume we have a PTZ here. So it's installed somewhere here. to watch all around what happens in these premises. So we have our PTZ installed here as well. Now let's begin dealing with the internal cameras. The internal cameras are going to be dome. Okay. Because it's too big, so I need to reduce it to a very small size which can fit in the position we want to place this icon. Okay, great. So now let's bring it to the position we want to install this device. At each entrance, I want to place this camera at each entrance so that whoever comes in can be monitored. Whoever is trying to go out as well can be monitored. So let me do same here. Great. You see, one thing about camera placing is placing it at vantage points you think activities might be going on or activities are prone to happen. So I'm placing them at vantage points with regards to the entrance into this warehouse. Okay, so I've done this. The next thing is to target where the goods or the products will be placed, that is on the shelves. And so I have one camera here looking out for these shelves. I have another one here as well. Watching this part. You see, I just don't want too many cameras. And so I have this camera taking care of these two, this taking care of these two as well. And then somewhere here, I need to place a bullet so that whoever comes close to the fridge will be monitored as well. So I have my camera installed here as well. And then at this part as well. So I think basically this is the design of this warehouse using a Visio. So currently we are done designing this warehouse. Okay, maybe the next thing I need to do is to just label them, which is an option. Okay, if I know what I'm doing, I can just leave it this way. Okay, so this is how I want my warehouse to look like. This area will be where various activities will be taking place. Okay. And so there are all cameras around. Now let's design. So let's say there is an office space here. Let me put the office space so that no one gets confused. Office. So let's assume there is an office space here. Okay. So there is an office space here. Okay, basically that's what I'm doing. So this is the door, the entrance to the office. That's what I'm basically designing. Okay. Okay, now let me indicate that there is an office space here. Okay. Okay, great. So I'm done. So this is an office. So we are going to design how this office should look like. So now I'm designing just the office space, okay? There are so many tools you can use to achieve the same purpose. But I simply wanted to use this tool to show you how you can plan your network infrastructure easily. Okay, great. And so this is where we wanted the door to be. So let me design the door and turn it. Great. Now let me shift it a bit here. Okay, so this is our door. So this is our entrance to the office. And in getting to the office, we have offices within the office. Okay, so let me say so this is a corridor. Okay, let me use this as the store room. Okay, great. So now let me put a door here. So let me indicate that this is a storeroom. Okay. So this is a storeroom, right? And then we have the manager's office here. The warehouse manager's office should be here somewhere. The assistant can be here somewhere. Okay. Please forgive me for the design, okay? My lines might not be straight, but this is what I have. And so we have another door here. Then we have another one here. Okay, so this so let me just indicate them straightforward. Manager's office. And we have the assistant manager's office here. So this is assistant manager's office. Okay. Make it a big so that we can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay. No, okay, this is okay. So this is an entrance. I think it should rather go in. We have another entrance here. So these are office spaces. So these are office spaces. Okay, now let me arrange the table. Okay, so first of all, let me put in, I'm not going to arrange the tables because these are not my work. Mine is to make sure they have network infrastructure in place. And so but I'll try and fix the sitting arrangements. And then, so first of all, let me try see where I can fix various data points for telephone and then for computers. So let me see what I can do. Okay, so we have one here, and so let me see. So we'll have one data point here. So like two faceplate, two in one data point. We have same coming here. I'm doing this because of the sitting arrangements that I'm going to use. We have one also coming to this point. I did come here a bit. We have another one coming this way. So these are data points. Okay, these are data points I'm using, but it is the two-in-one type. The same thing can be replicated here as well. Okay, so I have my data point here. It's left with the manager's office. Let me just place this in the manager's office. I'm sure the manager is going to sit this way. And then let me put another one to here for the manager's printer. Let me do same for the assistant manager as well. Okay, so these various boxes you see, okay, are the data points, and I'm assuming this is the places, or these are the places various individuals are going to sit and access the internet. I think I need to change this into server room, not storeroom. So I think this is what I need to do. Let me reduce it. Okay. So this is the server room, okay? The server room also need data points. It also needs data points as well. Okay, so I've given data points to all these various offices. And so let me try and do a little bit arrangement, okay? So this is going to be at the manager's office. I'm assuming he's going to sit this way. Okay. No, I think this should come to the assist office. And then I can place this at the manager's office instead. So this is going to be the manager's office. I'm assuming this is how he's going to sit. Okay. And then at these places we can just put normal tables. Normal tables here. Okay. One here. Then another one here. So one here as well. And then another one here. Okay. So I'm assuming this is how they are going to sit in the office. Okay. So this is how you can actually use the Visio to design how your office space should look like. You can use the Visio to design so many things. So many things. From warehouse design to office design. And so many, it has so many embedded features in this software. And it's a Microsoft application which can be installed when you buy it, or if you get the software in hand, you can actually install it and you can use it for so many design options. Okay, so basically this is how you can use the Visio to plan and design a network infrastructure in any organization. Thanks for watching this video. To those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so, because there are a lot of things to learn from my channel. For those who have subscribed, kindly continue to watch my videos, like and share my videos, and your comments are expected as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.